mail merge in the document, a mail merge document. Now first of all, what is a mail merge? A mail merge document is created to save the repeated type of similar documents that are designed to be sent to different people. You can say that it creates a set of documents like a letter or a greeting or something of that sort, or you can say a bank statement that has some of the same elements, or and some of the different elements. The same elements can be like the company name, the company logo, the format, the fonts, the colors, and everything. The different elements will be according to each recipient name, salutation, Mr., Mrs., Miss, um, or if you want to have like different type of wordings for each customer, all thing can be specific to each recipient. So to make the mail merge document, you need a master document and the source file that contains the specific data to each recipient. Now recipients, you can say that these are different records in one table. The master document will be in your RTF format, like this one. This is the one that is in your book from chapter 17. The data source or the source file, whatever the name in the paper, the source file will be a CSV document, that is a comma separated document. You can see this is sorry, this is from our book chapter 17. This is the rich text format document. This is our mail merge master document, and these two are for used for different letters, but they are the Microsoft Excel comma separated value files. These are the CSV file. I have opened one that corresponds to our this mail merge letter. Now you can see, first of all, let's just see about this. This is the address of the school. The date will be according to the date they are printing the letters. Title will be again according to the each recipient will be different. Font name, surname will be different. Address of each recipient will be different. Zip code will be different. Again, title, surname will be repeated here. As we wherever the schedule, okay, school will be closed for the rest of the week due to the problem that electricity supply. We have set all students studying for the examination this year. Lots of extra work, and hope that your son or daughter will be able to continue the examination preparation at home. You can see there are a lot of spelling mistakes here, and you do need to spell check it. Okay, first of all, the master document. Now how will you know where to put the specific data? All these tagged parts are the placeholders of the document. Placeholder is the place where you put the field name or different data for each recipient. You can see when I do the mail merge, then you will understand it. And here, son or daughter, so you can see that either son will come here or daughter will come here. When you check your CSV file, you can see a title is here, font name, surname. It is always beneficial that you just open your CSV file and see what are the field names. We have address 1, address 2, address 3, address 4, zip code, and the last field is son or daughter. So there is only one value for each field, daughter or son. Of course, there will be one value. Now you can see all these fields are available to be inserted here. Now how to start? You know your master document, you know your source file, you know where it is saved. How to start the mailings? The merge document, you will go into the mailings, start mail merge. uh, it's a long process using this. This is a wizard, step by step wizard. What I'll do, I just select the recipients. We have an existing list, so I will use that existing list. It will go to somewhere my data sources, so you go to the folder where you have saved your file that you received. We have this in our books source file chapter 17, and this is our students mail merge students.csv. Okay, now here is the problem because I had opened it in Excel. Okay, so I will just cancel it, close it, don't save, and then I will select the recipients again. So this was a good thing that you saw this, in case you get this problem during the exam. We have where it is 7, we have the books, chapter 17, students. Alright, we just selected our recipients, and we need to change the placeholders. These are the placeholders, the one with the type of the HTML tags things inside that. What you need to do, you just need to replace everything, replace all the placeholders with the data that is required. The date, you will do it from the insert. You, of course, this is not a field in your table. The date will be here. Like for example, if your format is DDMMYYY, that this is this format. If your format is DDMMMM space YYY, this is like full month name and then the full year. Okay, this is the format DD/MM/YY. So these are the different formats that you have to take care of. I will use the first format that is available to me. Make sure that you do not remove any blank lines or the spaces between the placeholders, because they get easily removed when you insert them. To insert the title, go to the mailings, that is a merge field. So add a field from your recipient list to the document such as last name, home phone or company. When you finish the mail merge, Word will replace these fields with the actual information from your recipient list. So the title space insert field phone name, there is an extra space here. That was the mistake in your original master document, so you have to take care of all the the grammatical and the spelling mistake also. Okay. Address 2, again you can see it gets the blank line gets removed, so you have to take care of that also. Address 4, and then we have the zip code. Insert the zip code. Again we'll have the title, so any, you can see, any field can be added as many times as required. And then we have the, you can see I accidentally selected the colon, so I'll have to insert it again after I insert the surname. This school spelling is wrong. I don't know what was the examination problem. Maybe there was an extra space. No. At home, the spelling is wrong, and in this you will insert the last field space. In your paper, you will be asked to insert your name, number, your center number, so make sure that you also do that, because your every printout must have your name and everything here. Now you can preview the results. You can see here, you can preview the results. You have total 25 letters for the students. You can see the date remained the same, only the data corresponding to each recipient changes for each letter. You can finish and merge, either directly print the document or edit the individual documents. Now you will not be asked to print even 10 letters for one exam, or even this is giving you 25 letters or 10 letters. I think it shouldn't be more than 6 7, so but that is just my thinking, but it won't be 25 letters. So what you will need to do, you will be asked to have some specific recipients, like we can have either daughters or sons to be sent the letters to. So we can have edit the recipient list. In this list, either you can deselect, which is a very bad way to do the selection or the filtration. The good way or the refined way to do is the filter. Which field do you want to add the filter? Now this you have to be very careful. Maybe for example, as a salary thing, you are talking, they're talking about salary, and any recipient, any employee who has more than like $100 salary should be sent this letter, or less than 100. So you will need to select the field first. In this case, we have the last field, that is the son or daughter. Comparison, does it equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than? So all these are the criteria that you need to take care of. Compared to what? We want to send this letter to only boys, so that will be son. Okay, now you can see we have only, in this list we edited it, we have only the male students. You can have the sorting also, sort by surname, then by forename and then surname. These are the different sorting, but of course that is not much, applicable in our case, because we will be printing the letters and you will have to put them all in the um, in your student folder. So it won't matter that what is the um, top one or the ascending or descending. So this is how you filter the records, you refine your recipient list. Or maybe they ask you that we don't want to send it to Mr. White. So you can, if it is only one person, then you can just simply deselect them. This is the finest way to do it. Okay. Okay, now we have finish and merge, edit individual documents. I always do this because that way I have a backup of the letters. You can save the letters and then you can print them again. Maybe your letters don't get printed directly and you close your mail merge, then you will have to make them again. You can see it gave you 9 pages. It gave you 9 pages. Okay, all the same but different in each sense. You can save this. I'm not going to save this for now. Now the one more thing, you will be asked to print your master document. The master document means not this. There should not be any data visible on your document. I'll turn off the preview results. This is what I want. Your master document printout should be like this. If they ask you to put a screenshot, then of course you will take a screenshot and put this in your evidence document. But if it is specifically said print your master document, then it should show your placeholders or your field codes. Now mostly by default what is happening, that when you print it, even in the print preview, you will see merge field this, address 1, address 2, like this. Sorry, this is like with 1 minute. I will turn off the options and you will see that what is the default option. Now print. This is the default option. When this is here, it, when you print it, it won't print the merge fields. It won't show you the field names. It will show you the values of the fields, which is wrong, which is not asked, and you will lose even 10 marks, 12 marks, full marks of your this mail merge because of that wrong printout. What you need to do, if you have to check the print, if it's not giving, then you have to go to the options of your word. You have to go to advanced, and in the advanced go down down down, and there is a print options. In the print options you have print field codes instead of their values. This is important, you have to check this. And then when you print, you can see that you have the merge field address 1, merge field address 2. So this is what is required. You will print it. Okay, I will print it in the PDF right now. So I will open the PDF and you can see. Yeah, so this is our actual printout, and this is the correct one. This is what you have to submit if asked for the uh, master document. Okay, so I think that sums it up. How to create the mail merge, how to print the master document with the mail merge fields, how to filter your recipients, and how to create the letters and then print it.